Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm at a place. They have a Petro Canada gas station here today, and there's a car that is going to pay the car wash. You see, today is a busy day here today, so I'm here to show you how this car gets completely cleaned, and I'll show you how it works. First of all, you see this guy. This guy is getting a wash. You could see right here. This car, I think it's a Toyota, I guess. I don't even know what it is. I'm the video gamer, and it's my job to look at it. Someone request me if you want to look at a car wash video. Today I am right now. This guy is still paying his wash. You could see here, and here the gas is 144 average for the regulars. Used to be 158. And this is somewhere here, and this guy is still struggling on this car wash. You could see here. I don't know what is he up to today, but I'll see if this guy is gonna go through the car wash, because this guy is getting washed today, and it's my job to it's not my job. You guys love my videos a lot. Thank you a lot for hitting me 17 subs. You guys are the best. So you could see here a car is going through. So my channel name is the Video Gamer, the best games 1144. You can here we go. So now the guy got it right. Now those curtains are here, and this guy is going to get his official wash. This is my favorite part, but this is the bristles. See that? The green light has turned on. This guy is saying to go in. So now this guy is going into this car wash. Please place your car in neutral. Here's the gate closed. Now the door opened. And now the guy is going through a car wash. You could see here. Alright, so you could see the high pressure. Oh, look at that. The top bristle has just started to turn on. You could see right here. The guy is getting a wash. You could see here. Oh my god, you guys, this is the best wash you could ever see in today's video. You see that this guy's getting a official wash because his car is so dirty today. Like and subscribe to my channel for more and stuff. You see that guy just went in the car wash today. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next one. So the gas is 144 here. Oh look, here goes another car. It's a Dodge, I think so. It's a Toyota Sienna. And you see here, there's another car coming through a car wash. You could see here. First guy just went in, and now we have a Toyota Sienna going through a wash today. And this day here, it's a busy day. See, the red light has turned on again. A guy is already in there getting his wash, and here's another guy who is coming into a car wash today. Today is the day that I get to do it. Like and subscribe for more details. And you see this guy's getting the side bristles. The guy inside we just saw, He's got the bristles and a car wash. This is the best day ever, Rico. This guy is getting another car wash. But this guy's also getting a wash, actually. I could say. Alright, so this guy is having a struggle again. This guy is already done his wash. That car right in here today. And you see another car who is going into another wash. And this is the best day ever. This is a Petro Canada at 41 Avenue and LR Road. If you want to check it out, they have a glide wash here. They have a tomatoes beside it. If you're hungry, you could go there. And also, this is a best day because I am here. And yeah, the first guy is done. This guy's struggling a lot again. You guys can see we're on 6 minutes and 20 seconds of the video. And this guy still hasn't even got his wash done. Another guy has just came in. Yo! You get the 3 more cars today. If you want me to go in the car wash, I sadly can't because I don't even want to. You see, these guys are what is happening here? हाँ ठीक है ये डॉज वाला नहीं जाएगा. This guy is not going through this wash. What is happening today? La. And one guy has left because, oh look. Here's a car wash. Now this guy is also getting a car wash. You just saw one guy just quit a wash, and now this other guy's going in. You could see right here. This is the best moment you guys are having right now. Subscribe for more details and videos. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please check out more details. Alright. Now this guy's getting a high pressure wash. You can see here. Oh! We just got a bristle. This is a soft touch car wash today. Yo! This is so the best day. You guys are enjoying, having a blast. So you see that this guy's having a wash. You could see here. Alright. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe for more details. And I'll see you guys next time. And turn on notifications.